Do you want to be the best lit home in your neighborhood? You can be when you choose Lit Professional Lighting to install and take down your Christmas and holiday lighting. We work with Houston homeowners with budgets big and small to deliver the festive look your guests and neighbors will envy. Each year, thousands of homeowners are hurt installing Christmas lights. Don't be one of those victims. Lit lighting installers are trained and insured, so you don't have to put you or your family at risk. Call Lit Professional Lighting this year and choose from one of our 4 affordable Christmas light packages, or let us make your holiday lighting vision a reality. Call Lit Professional Lighting for your free estimate, Houston holiday and Christmas light installation and removal. Call 281-961-0781. Once again, call 281-961-0781.